Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we talk about travel, tourism, work, and study abroad. I'm your host, Nelly, and today's video is for my first time travelers, the ones that are ready to take the risk and leave their comfort home and travel. I know that Google cannot always give you all the information that you search for, so I was able to gather the information, and every little detail in this video is either going to make or break your first time experience. Before you fly, I'm talking about the moment where you have gotten your confirmation flight ticket. The first thing you need to do is to triple check your documents. Make sure that your passport is valid for at least 6 months. You print and scan your visa, your return ticket, your accommodation ticket, whatever document that would be needed. Make sure you have them printed out. You have the soft copy and the hard copy in your bag. Second thing I would say is to not overpack. Don't overthink it. Pack the things that you actually need, like few shoes, few clothes, coats, sweaters, your essentials like your power bank, prescribed drugs for headache, stomach bites, pack your cord, your sunscreen, pack a neck pillow, especially if your trip is more than 5 hours. Trust me, you will thank me for this information. And please, do not pack like you are running away. Pack like you are actually going to adapt to a new city. The third thing I would say is to know your airport vibe. I would advise you to arrive 2 to 3 hours earlier at the airport because some airports requires you to print your boarding pass at the counter. And you can use apps like Flight Aware to check for delays or gate changes just in case. So always be early at the airport so that you don't get to miss your flight in case of any change or whatever. So now you've landed in a new country and the butterflies are getting in, but don't feel overwhelmed. Don't panic at the immigration. Smile and remain calm. Have your documents ready. If they ask for your return ticket or whatever document they ask for, just show them. Don't fumble, don't fidget, don't act like you're a novice. Remain as calm as possible. Transportation drama is real. So it's not just hop into any taxi or cab you see at the airport. Download apps like Bolt or Uber or any other transportation app that is recognized in the country. And do not exchange so much money at the airport. Try to use their exchange offices for a lower rate. And remember that cultural shock is real. People will stare at you. The food will taste different. The air will seem unfamiliar. But don't panic. Breathe, soak it in, journal, or even call a friend just to help ease your tension. Use apps like Google Map, download the offline version so you can navigate your way. Google Translate to help you translate other people's languages. XE Exchange for better exchange rates. And WhatsApp just so that you can call home, call your friends, call your family so you can be at ease. So now you know all that information. You should also know that homesickness will hit you randomly. You can be having fun, but then again, you're going to miss your bed. You miss your mom's food. You miss your local slangs. You're going to miss literally every single thing, and that is normal. It will fade away after a couple of weeks or a couple of months. You need to also know that sometimes you will feel out of place. It will feel like you're pretending, but one day you're going to wake up, you're going to go to the store, buy things, walk around, and you're going to feel like home. It will take a couple of weeks, but hey, you're going to get there. You need to also understand that not everybody speaks English, and that is okay. And a few cultural words. Always smile, be respectful. The locals actually like when you put in effort to want to interact with them or feel comfortable around them. And lastly, you need to understand that you are going to grow fast. Travel makes you to trust yourself, become a problem solver, and makes you comfortable around strangers. And trust me, you'll be shocked at how comfortable you adapt to your environment with just one trip. If you're about to take your first trip, I just want to tell you that you've got this. And if you're planning your future trip, then please save this video for when the nerves kick in because you will need to hear this. And if you've traveled before, let me know in the comment section what is one thing you feel like you should have known before you started traveling. What made you nervous? Leave it in the comment section and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye.